Hello everyone, my name is Manvi Sinha and I study in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. My USN is 1VE23IS028 and my subject title is Applied Chemistry for Computer Science and Engineering stream and its code is BCHES202. And my today's topic is exploring polymers and green fuel, a chemistry perspective. Let's break down each part. Introduction to polymers and green fuel. Polymers. Polymers are large molecules composed of repeating structural units called monomers. These monomers are bonded together through chemical reactions, forming long chains or networks. Polymers exhibit a wide range of properties depending on their chemical composition and structure. They are used in various industries due to their versatility, durability, and ease of processing. Examples of common polymers used in daily life include polyethylene, PE. PE is one of the most widely used plastics found in packaging materials, plastic bags, bottles, and containers. Polypropylene, PP. PP is commonly used in food packaging, textiles, automotive components, and household products. Polyvinyl chloride, PVC. PVC is used in construction materials, pipes, window frames, flooring, and medical devices. Polystyrene, PS. PS is used in disposable food containers, packaging materials, insulation, and consumer goods. Polyethylene terephthalate, PET. PET is used in beverage bottles, food containers, synthetic fibers, and packaging films. Let's talk about green fuels. Green fuel refers to renewable and sustainable energy sources that produce fewer greenhouse gas emissions compared to traditional fossil fuels. These fuels are derived from renewable resources such as biomass, agricultural crops, algae, or organic waste. The importance of green fuel lies in its potential to reduce carbon emissions and mitigate the adverse effects of climate change by decreasing reliance on fossil fuels. Let's dive into the molecular structure of polymers and the process by which they are formed. Chemistry of polymers. Molecular structure of polymers. There are two primary types of polymer structures. First is linear polymers. In linear polymers, monomer units are linked together in a straight chain without branching or cross-linking. Examples of linear polymers include polyethylene, PE, and polypropylene, PP. Second one is branched polymers. Branched polymers contain side chains or branches that extend from the main polymer chain. These branches can influence the polymer's properties such as flexibility and elasticity. Examples of branched polymers include low-density polyethylene, LDPE, and certain types of elastomers. Significance in polymer synthesis. Both addition and condensation polymerization process plays significant role in polymer synthesis and the production of a wide range of polymers with diverse properties. Addition polymerization is particularly suited for the synthesis of thermoplastic polymers, while condensation polymerization is commonly used to produce thermosetting polymers and elastomers. Understanding these polymerization mechanisms is crucial for designing and tailoring polymers with desired characteristics for various applications in industry, medicine, and materials science. Let's dive into specific polymers used in the production of green fuel and discuss their properties. Types of polymers used in green fuel production. First, bioplastics. Bioplastics are a type of polymer derived from renewable biomass sources such as plants, agricultural byproducts, or microorganisms. Properties of bioplastics for green fuel applications. Renewable sourcing, biodegradability, lower carbon footprint, compatibility with green fuel production. Second, bio-based polymers. Bio-based polymers are derived from renewable biomass sources but may not necessarily be biodegradable. Properties of bio-based polymers for green fuel applications. Renewable sourcing, reduced environmental impact, compatibility with green fuel infrastructure. Here are some real-world examples of how polymers are integrated into green fuel technologies. Applications of polymers in green fuel technologies. First, polymer electrolyte membrane fuel cells, PEMFC. Integration of polymers. PEMFC utilize polymer electrolyte membrane, PEM, as the electrolyte separator between the anode and cathode. These membranes are typically made of PFSA polymers such as Nafion. Role of polymers. Polymers in PEMFS facilitate proton conduction while preventing the crossover of fuel and oxidant gases, thereby improving cell efficiency and durability. Enhanced efficiency. The use of PEM enables high proton conductivity at relatively low operating temperatures, leading to improved fuel cell efficiency and performance. Durability and sustainability. Polymer-based PEM offer excellent chemical and mechanical stability, ensuring long-term durability and reliability of PEMFC. Additionally, advancements in polymer membrane technology aim to reduce the reliance on expensive and environmentally harmful perfluorinated polymers, thus enhancing the sustainability of fuel cell systems. Second one is polymer coated electrodes in biofuel cells. Integration of polymers. Biofuel cells utilize enzymes or microorganisms immobilized on electrode surfaces to catalyze fuel oxidation and oxygen reduction reactions. Polymer coatings are often applied to electrode surfaces to enhance enzyme stability and electron transfer efficiency. Role of polymers. Polymer coatings protect enzyme catalysts from denaturation and degradation, prolonging their lifespan and improving biofuel cell performance. Enhanced efficiency. Polymers facilitate electron transfer between the enzyme active sites and electrode surfaces, leading to higher catalytic activity and electron utilization efficiency. Durability and sustainability. Polymer-coated electrodes exhibit improved stability and resistance to environmental factors such as pH, temperature, and mechanical stress, enhancing the durability and reliability of biofuel systems. Moreover, the use of biocompatible and biodegradable polymers promotes sustainability by minimizing environmental impact and waste generation. Now, let's talk about conclusion. In conclusion, polymers play a vital role in advancing green fuel technologies by enhancing efficiency, durability, and sustainability. Through their integration into systems such as fuel cells and biofuel production process, polymers contribute to improved performance and reliability. With their unique properties and versatility, polymers facilitate the transition towards a cleaner and more sustainable energy future. Thank you.